This 3-lesson survey of the book of Judges was written for students in grades 4 through 8 who are ready for a deeper dive into how God called 12 men and women to deliver Israel from those that oppress them. The spiritual climate in which these judges served is summarized in chapter 21, verse 25. In those days, there was no king in Israel. Everyone did what was right in his own eyes. This verse launches your class into understanding the cycle of sin, oppression, and deliverance, clearly seen in many of the stories of the 12 judges. Students will highlight the 3 elements of this cycle in the story of Othniel, the first judge of Israel. After a Bible scavenger hunt that takes a deeper look at the lives of each of the 12 judges, students are presented with their own set of colorful judges cards for a game aptly named Judge the Correct Judge. 20 questions taken from the fact sheet are read, and students have 5 seconds to place a hand on top of the correct card as the class repeats the 3 words of the cycle: sin, oppression, deliverance. An eye-catching token sheet allows students to keep track of how many correct cards they chose during the game. The lesson concludes with showing students that the cycle of sin, oppression, and deliverance is part of our human condition. We all want our own way. Everyone sins. And while there might be consequences, God's purpose is always reconciliation because He wants a relationship with each one of us. Ultimately, this was accomplished through our perfect judge and deliverer, Jesus Christ, who provides us with salvation and a way out of this vicious sin cycle. Included are 81 PowerPoint slides so students can see and hear game questions and answers. Highlighted numbers in the lesson guide you through the exact timing and order.